Hello, fellow truth seekers, and welcome back to our soulful summaries, where we dive in to the most profound books that hold the power to transform our lives. Today we have a true gem. It is The Secret of Imagining by Neville Goddard. If you're ready to unlock the incredible potential of your imagination and manifest your deepest desires, you're in for a treat. We'll dive into the key insights. So let's get started. The Secret of Imagining by Neville Goddard is a masterpiece that reveals the key to mastering your reality lies within your imagination. Let's explore some of the profound insights. Insight number 1: imagination creates reality. Neville Goddard emphasizes that your imagination is more than mere daydreaming. It is a creative power that shapes your reality. Everything you see in the external world first originated in the realm of imagination. By harnessing this power, you can deliberately manifest your desires. Insight number 2: assuming the wish fulfilled. To manifest your desires, Goddard advises you to assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. Immerse yourself in emotions as if your desire is already your reality. This emotional charge creates a magnetic force that attracts the circumstances and events that are needed to make your dreams come true. Insight number 3: live from the end. Living from the end means living as if your desire is already accomplished. Goddard urges you to let go of any hows and just focus solely on the end result. As you mentally dwell in the state of your wish fulfilled, you align with that reality and draw it into your physical experience. Insight number 4: persist in imagination. Your persistence will be the key to your mastery. Goddard advises you to persist in your imagination until your desire is fully realized. Be unwavering in your faith and continue to imagine until that seed of your desire sprouts into a physical manifestation. This is the utmost important one out of all of them. Insight number 5: the power of revision. He introduces this technique of revision where you rewrite the past events of your imagination to align with your desires. By revising past experiences, you change your perception of the present, opening up new possibilities for a more fulfilling future. Insight number 6: your beliefs will play a crucial role in the manifestation process. He explains that what you truly believe becomes your reality. Align your beliefs with your desires, and your imagination becomes a potent tool for creating the life that you most want. And there you have it, free thinkers. Thank you so much for watching this video. It is a quick insight into this book. There will be links down below for a free audiobook and also the book version if you would like to read it, just so that you're able to get deeper into his tools and tactics and stories. They are very helpful. I found, reading these very insightful for myself. So I wanted to introduce you to this in a short video so that you're able to know what you're getting yourself into. Don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with someone who will really need it and will be able to use it. And anyone who's ready to harness the power of their imagination. Remember, you hold the key to create the life of your dreams. Stay tuned for more empowering book reviews and life-changing content. And until next time, imagine big, believe big, and thanks for tuning in.